Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to Myttre's kitchen. So today recipe is another special recipe. Today we are going to do makhana raita. Makhana is also called as lotus seeds. It has got loads of health benefits. To mention few about makhana, it helps in anti-aging properties. It is rich in antioxidants and it is very good for sugar patients, and this can also be considered as a coolant during this peak summer season. The main ingredient to do our makhana raita is 1 cup of yogurt, which is curd, followed with 1 cup of makhana, 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar, chopped onions, chopped cucumber, chopped green chilli, chopped coriander leaves, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, followed with we'll be using turmeric powder, chili powder, salt, black salt. These are the main ingredients that is needed to do our makhana raita for the day. So let us get into our recipe and see the step-by-step process. The first step to do our makhana raita is I have taken 1 cup of curd. We need to whisk it properly so that it comes out very nice. So friends, we have whisked our curd very finely. You can see here the curd is nicely whisked. So in this I am going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Followed with that I am going to add 1 glass of water. For doing this makhana raita, it should not be too watery because the makhana will be soaked in this. So let us mix it quickly and let us keep this aside. To do our makhana raita is we are going to do the green chutney. So I have taken 1 cup of coriander leaves, washed and kept, followed with 3 green chilies, small cucumber, the required amount of salt, add little water and grind it to a fine paste. Our whisk curd is ready. So in this, the chutney which we just grinded freshly, we are going to add it. Just add this green chutney into this whisked curd. Give a quick mix and keep this aside, and let's see what is next. So friends, I have taken a wider bowl. I am adding 1 tablespoon of ghee into it. You can add the normal ghee or the desi ghee, whichever you prefer. As the ghee is getting melted, we are going to fry our makhana. This is needed so that the makhana will come out crispy. So once the ghee melts, let us add the makhana into it. I'm going to add 1 cup of makhana into it. Nicely fry it so that it comes out crispy. So friends, you can find the makhana color is slightly changed to a light brownish color. We need to fry to this consistent so that it will be very crispy. So now let us remove this and keep it aside, and let's see what is next. In the same bowl, added 2 tablespoons of ghee. I'm just going to add little mustard seeds, which is around 1 tablespoon, followed with little mustard and cumin seeds. I've added mustard and cumin seeds, each 1 tablespoon. Followed with it, I'm going to add chopped onions, which is 2 small numbers. And fry it nicely. I'm adding little amount of salt. Be cautious because we have already added little salt in the curd while whisking it. So now in this I'm going to add a pinch of turmeric powder followed with a pinch of chili powder. Again be cautious because we have already added chili for our green chutney. So be very cautious while adding it. So I've added pinch of turmeric followed with little chili powder. And let us do a quick mix. Yes, it's almost got fried. So friends, the onions are nicely fried. So let us off the gas and see what is next. So friends, this curd with the green chutney is here. In this we are going to add all these ingredients one by one. So starting with cumin powder, I am going to add half a tablespoon of cumin powder into it, followed with half a tablespoon of black salt. For this particular recipe you need to add black salt for the extra flavor and taste. Especially for raita, adding black salt enhances the taste. So I am adding half a tablespoon of black salt. Once everything is added, now I am going to add the fried onions, mustard seeds and cumin seeds into this. after adding everything, give a quick mix. Now we need to add our fried makhana into it, which was fried and it's come out very crispy because of the ghee. Now let us add the makhana into it. That's all. Our makhana raita is ready. As I said, not to make the raita too watery. It should be little thick so that the makhana soaks into it and gives that extra taste. Now in this, if needed, we can add some toppings. So I'm just gonna add sliced small number of tomato, just half a tomato, followed with little coriander seeds and little cumin powder in the top to make that extra flavor. So let us see the toppings shortly. So friends, you can find our makhana is nicely soaked in our raita. As a toppings, extra topping if needed, you can add it. I have added chopped tomatoes, small number, followed with little coriander leaves. So give a quick mix and it is ready to be displayed. So friends, here goes our makhana raita. So please do try this recipe. Watch my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another yummy recipe shortly. Happy cooking, stay safe, bye bye.